number 10, our last tool for creating health and well-being in 2020 is a great cognitive tool, and this is telling yourself that whatever changes you're making a choice to make it and you like it. So for example, you don't like exercise. You do like exercise, but you have a cognitive distortion in your mind that says you don't. So you're going to change that today. You're going to start telling your mind over and over and over, say it out loud, write it out longhand, I like exercise and I'm choosing to do it. Think about people that run triathlons or do those crazy mud runs. You know, you and I might be looking at them thinking, oh my God, that is just suffering. They're just punishing themselves and they're just miserable doing that. But if you see them, they're smiling. They love it. They've been training for those events for years and they are having the time of their lives. Their endorphins are going, all their happy neurotransmitters are on full, and they are just euphoric. So why can you not be that euphoric when you're exercising? No reason. You can. You can. Those people tell themselves, I love running through the mud. I love doing a triathlon. So you can tell yourself, I love taking a walk. I love going to the gym. The gym is my happy place and I'm choosing to go there. And you'll find that your mind tunes right into it because your mind is just waiting for a command. And you may only have given them unaware and you may only have given negative commands. But now that you're in control, now that you're taking charge of your mental field of consciousness, you can tell your mind exactly what it likes to do because you are making the choice now. So that's a really, really powerful tool. I'm making a choice to do X and I like X. So don't do it the hard way. Don't exert all your willpower. Don't exert all your decision-making power and just miserably slog through every day, forcing yourself to do things. Do everything with joy and inspiration. Go to the gym with a smile on your face. Make some friends. Chit-chat to people. Make your meals with joy. Eat your salad with joy, because when you have that salad and you feel so good afterwards, that is what your mind is going to tune more and more and more into. Thank you so much for joining me for these 10 powerful transformational tools for health and well-being in 2020. So let's do a quick recap.